process for the bidding of 11 goods. Let's open for the opening of goods without reading projects. And for the reading for the project description, be read by engineer. Please.
Good morning. We have 11 projects to read out to different goods. First, 54 CIE 001, purchase of regular gasoline for gas cutter, supply of government of fuel only, with an ATC of 125,000, 59 pieces of common tapos, operation of the government. This is the 54 GIE 002, supply and delivery of cans for drinking of gardens and bridges along the roads in the district. Prior to government of affairs only. With an ABC of 195,400 pieces only. Contract duration of 15 days.
Pero mag-price na ka.
24 GIS 03. Supply and delivery of plastic paint for 15 work along the roads in the third district. Prior to government of affairs only. With an ABC of 108 pesos and 112. Big duration of 10 days. Next is that before GIS 04, supply and delivery of inside division for all along the roads and the district. With an ABC of 458 pesos and 527 pesos, 488,000 pesos of Next is the before GIS 05, supply and delivery of uniforms and signatures for finance personnel, supply and photography of materials only. The ABC of 1,305
Kasi di pa ko para doon
with a
ba?
facturation of
Para sa LGU, dili sa LGU mo project. Isa na mo siya ang award in 50 contract o kuan.
supply and delivery of uniforms, transmit, uniforms, patching,
Pero sa LGU, isa na project ng LGU.
district
Oo.
with an ABC of 170,000.
Kasi naman ako siya messenger.
Next is the 24 A007, supply and delivery of brass cutter and accessories, supply and delivery of materials only. An ABC of 99,400 pesos ang centavos with a contract duration of 30 calendar days. Next is the 24 A008, supply and delivery of tires, batteries, oil for use of service vehicle vehicle with an ABC of 756,680 pesos and 66 centavos with a duration of 30 calendar days. Next is the 54 A009, supply and delivery of amenities along national roads within the district with an ABC of 99,521 pesos and a duration of 15 days. This is the 54 GIS 0011, supply and delivery of various equipment and power tools for patching activities along national roads with an ABC of 99,000 pesos and 50 centavos with a total duration of 30 calendar days. Last is the 54 GIS 0012, supply and delivery of various materials, the fabrication of kilometer posts and RRW markers along national roads with an ABC of 800,040 pesos and a total duration of 15 days.
Thank you, Engineer Albadis. Let's proceed to the opening of bid for checking of technical and
Okay, so before the opening of the financial documents, so based on our logbook, for the 24 GIE 001. We have one participating leader, the WLS Grassroots Station. And for the 24 GIE 002, we have 2, the Prime Tech Machine Trading and the KFB Marketing. For the 24 GIE 003, we have 2 also, the PS Teves Construction and the Prime Tech Machine Trading. And for the 24 GIE 004, we have 2, the Alex Dome Construction Supply and Enterprises and the KFB Marketing. And for the 24 GIE 005, also we have 2, the Prime Tech Machine Trading and the Alex Dome Construction Supply and Enterprises. And for 24 GIE 006, we have 2, the Alex Dome Construction and Supply Enterprises and the Prime Tech Machine Trading. For the 24 GIE 007, we have 2, the Prime Tech Machine Trading and the Alex Dome Construction Supply and Enterprises. And for the 24 GIE 008, also we have 2, the KFB Marketing and the Prime Tech Machine Trading. For the 24 GIE 009, we have 2, the Alex Dome Construction Supply and Enterprises and the KFB Marketing. For the 24 GIE 0011, we have 2, the Alex Dome Construction Supply and Enterprises and the KFB Marketing. And for the last one, the 24 GIE 0012, also we have 2, the Prime Tech Machine Trading and the KFB Marketing.